In this tutorial, we're going to see how to create your year's schedule using the built-in Lesson Planner Calendar module. What we're looking at now is the main menu in the Deluxe Edition. I'm assuming that you've entered all of your students. You've entered your faculty members if you have multiple teachers. If you're the only teacher, you'll want to put your name in there. And in the organization, you've created your classes. You should create classes even for your private students, such as Monday private students or Suzuki Volume 2, in order for those students to show up in the drop-down list in your lesson planner. They must be enrolled in a class. So we're going to click on the lesson planner. It takes us to this screen where you have the monthly calendar on the left, and as you create your calendar, you'll see that one day at a time in this section here. What we want to do is go to the lesson setup, so we click on the button here. We're going to go to Monday, so click on the blue triangle beside Monday, and we're going to create rows down here for each lesson time. Create a new row. Let's say the first teaching assignment starts at 8 o'clock in the morning. And you notice it gives you an end time automatically at 8:30. That's because we've set a default lesson length of 30 minutes. You could change that default lesson length, whatever fits most of your lessons, but you can overwrite that whenever you create a new one. You can also change the default lesson interval. Most of the teaching will be once a week, but it could be bi-weekly, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, and so on. We'll go back up to the top. We've created the first row. Let's assign a teacher to that teaching time. We'll say Anya's the teacher and Douglas is the student. So let's create another one. Since that one ends at 8:30, we could start teaching the next lesson at 8:30, ends at 9, and we'll say that Lane is teaching that class and Frank is the student. We'll create another row, and this could be 9 o'clock. It ends at 9:30, and we'll say Jeremy's teaching this and he's teaching Susie. We'll create another row. This time we're going to look for a class. So come on over here and let's see. We have a Monday class that starts at 10:30. So let's assign this to the 10:30, and that means that we want to find 10:30 here. And let's say the class is longer than half an hour. Let's say it's 45 minutes. So we want to go to 11:15. It also is weekly. We'll say Pam is the teacher for this kinder music class. And let's create another row for the afternoon. There's actually a class in the afternoon on Monday. Let's see if we can find that Monday. Here's one at 3 o'clock. So we'll put this time in as being 3. We could just type in the number 3, and it takes us to 3 p.m. That's a shortcut. And we'll say this lasts for a little bit longer than 30 minutes. So it would be 3:45, and we'll say Jean is teaching this class.